Congrats on your conditional mortgage approval. Thanks for trusting us to get this done for you. You will be getting one more email to sign electronically. Please check your spam folder if you do not see it in the next couple of hours. We went with MCAP for your approval, and you will love them. They are one of the largest mortgage broker lenders in Canada. MCAP is a monoline, which means they don't have physical branches. They strictly lend funds for mortgages. Because of this, they won't try to upsell you on credit cards or bank accounts. Their penalty structure is one of the best in the market. On average, people break their mortgages at the 3-year mark. Having a favorable penalty policy could end up saving you thousands. They offer 20% prepayment privileges, allowing you to pay down the mortgage faster than normal and directly to the principal. None of it goes towards the interest. If there are any changes that need to be made, such as a product, spelling errors, or incorrect details, please let your underwriter know so they can make corrections right away, even if it's after e-signing. We're happy to make any changes necessary. At the top of your conditional approval is all of your personal information and details, including your mortgage number. You can use that mortgage number to register a new account on their website after the mortgage has been funded and closed. From there, you can make changes such as updating your information, changing your payment frequency, etc. The mailing address is your current address as of today and may not match the new home you are financing. Don't worry, the mailing address will be automatically updated if you are moving into the house you are buying. The basic mortgage amount here is the total house price minus your down payment with the default insurance added in, if that applies to your mortgage, leaving you with the total principal amount. Your first charge means it's the only mortgage on this title at the time you get possession of your new home, and no debt is going in front of this lender. Here is your interest rate. If you have any questions or concerns about it, please let us know. This is your mortgage payment amount at the current payment frequency. If you change your frequency, this amount will change depending on what you choose. How your property taxes are to be paid is confirmed here. There is another video that will go over this. The advance or closing date is the day the mortgage is set to fund. You will notice the first regular payment date. You can choose how you want to pay later in the document, and we will go through it then. You can always go online after your mortgage closes and change this anytime using your portal login. The maturity date is your advance date plus the number of years you have chosen for your mortgage term. For example, if you have selected a 5-year mortgage term, then you add 5 years to your advance date, creating your maturity date. On that future date, your mortgage will be up for renewal, and we will be in touch around then to discuss your renewal options of staying or changing things up. The term is the length of time this lender is committed to lending to you. If you have any questions or would like to change it, just let us know. The amortization is based on how long the total mortgage will be spread out and how long it will be until you are mortgage-free if making the regular monthly payment. I know, seems like a lifetime away. There are great ways of paying the mortgage down faster though, such as lump sum payments and bi-weekly accelerated payments. I will explain a little more about this in a moment. This is the full list of documents the lender is requesting, but don't worry, our team has already gone through this list and made a note of what we have on file already. You will find the list of documents your underwriter still needs in the body of the email you just received. If you have any questions regarding anything on this list, just let your underwriter know and they would be happy to help you. This is the list of what is required before the advance date from your legal team. That is something our team communicates with your lawyer. We will make sure you are taken care of and nothing gets missed. Here's where we ask you to provide us with your lawyer information. We stay in touch with your lawyer and legal team until the finish line, making sure that everything closes on time. Here, you will see the mailing address that you can use when you are applying for home insurance. The insurance company wants to know who your mortgage is through and their mailing address. We won't read this next section as you will be falling asleep. Feel free to read it if you feel it would be helpful. It's pretty standard legal information for banks to disclose to customers at the time of getting a mortgage. They all use something similar. Essentially, if you don't pay your mortgage, they can take the house away. So please make your payments on time. The cost of borrowing disclosure serves as a notice that at your meeting with your lawyer, there will be a final disclosure document summarizing your mortgage details. Payment frequency is a way for you to customize how you would like to make your payment. Your options are weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. For weekly payments, the lender takes the monthly payment, multiplies by 12 months in a year, and then divides by 52 weeks in a year. For weekly accelerated payments, the lender takes the monthly payment and divides by 4 weeks, which increases the amount paid towards your principal mortgage amount. For biweekly payments, the lender takes the monthly payment and multiplies by 12 months in a year, and then divides by 26 biweekly periods in a year. For biweekly accelerated payments, the lender takes the monthly payment and divides by 2, which increases the amount paid towards your principal mortgage amount. For semi-monthly payments, the lender takes the monthly payment and divides by 2. For monthly payments, it is simply the monthly payment. Choosing any form of accelerated payments helps pay down the principal faster because of the extra payments made in the year. This lender lets you choose the day you want your mortgage payment to come out, not just the frequency. This is awesome! If you have a specific day of the week or month you would prefer, you can choose that now. If choosing weekly or biweekly, most clients will select Friday, so you have the whole week to prepare for your payment. But it does not make a difference to us or the bank. Please choose whatever you prefer. This is a pre-authorized debit form, so they know what account will be used to make your payments. Lastly, depending on the lender, there might be a broker-agent consent form, which gives us permission to help you in the future making any changes or dealing with customer service in the years ahead. We aren't just your broker today. We are happy to help for years to come. There may be other pages included in your conditional approval package that are not included in this video. Just let us know if you have any questions, and we would be happy to help take you through them. Further down in this email, you will see other videos that will answer specific questions such as property taxes, insurance, and what happens next. That's it! If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, a new email will be sent shortly that has directions on where to sign, initial, or write any other important information. This way is faster and more convenient for everyone. We are so excited for you.